Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to push back in the zippo pin like if it's falling out. So watch. So, let me get this here thing set up. That's it up, and as you can see, got my zippo right here. You can see that good. Probably can't, but yeah, the thing's coming out. Dang it. So what I'm wanting to do, push that back in. What we're all wanting to do. So we need to do, wait, 1 minute. Let me restart this real quick. Okay, so you got the light in there. And now the pin's out. And I just now pushed it back in by accident. So what you're going to want to do is take out the lighter. Then you're going to want to push the pin like back in and kind of rotate it while you're doing it, and it'll kind of make it easier. Just push it back in with a nail. It's real easy. I don't know if it works for all zippos, but it's mainly just because I have Winston Noble, maybe. I don't know. Oh, and yeah. Show you something. Yeah, y'all guys like my new zippo. See, has a nice chrome thing right here. Then one of the cool things about it is that it's actually a torch.